Rowlett Owls. Welcome to Lighthouse Live, at home edition. Today's news for tomorrow's leaders. Today is Tuesday, March 31st. I am Finn and I will be your host. This is my special guest, my brother Tate. Today we are broadcasting to you from our kitchen. Now please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Since we're at my house, I thought I would show you the marble run my dad and I built a few days ago. It took a few hours to build, and there are two paths the marble can take. Or it can go this way. Also, it has an elevator here, so the marble keeps going. Hey Tate, do you have anything you'd like to share?
Yeah. What did the science book say to the math book?
I don't know. What?
You got a lot of problems.
A good one, Tate. Hey, today's virtual Spirit Week activity is Picnic Day. Be sure to pack a lunch and enjoy it outdoors. Hey, speaking of food, later on in the show, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite breakfasts. Stay tuned for that, but first, I'll send it on over to Miss Choate and Dr. Fradley with their daily update.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. You know, when you get old, sometimes you forget what day it is.
The days kind of run
They
together.
just go together. Boys and girls, we hope you are doing very good out there and are able to get your work done that your teachers are sending. And remember, guys, if it's a lot, just do what you can, okay? Just do what you can. Also, this week, Arts and Spanish have sent things out as well. So again, if you're able to get to that during the day, great. Maybe you get to it tomorrow. That is totally fine. But we really miss you guys. Hope you're doing all right.
Yeah, it's kind of lonely around here. But you know
is.
who else has sent out some really fun things is Mrs. Colby.
And we got that
Oh,
here,
good.
right? I have
Okay.
this. So Mrs. Colby is sending out read alouds on our YouTube channel. So I'm sure they'll also be linked on our website. So today at 9 o'clock, she's going to be reading Not Normal.
Not Norman?
Not Normal.
Oh, I haven't read that
I haven't
book,
read that
so
one
I might
either.
have to tune in.
I hope it's not a typo and not normal. We'll have to see.
Yeah, we'll have to
Okay.
check that out.
And then at 10 o'clock today, Mrs. Colby is doing poetry and props, and it's Shel Silverstein's Me Stew. I do know that one.
I wonder if she has a puppet.
Well, she could.
Maybe.
On that one. And then 11, boy, Miss Colby's working hard. She's going to be reading a chapter from Ramona Quimby, age 8.
Oh,
I
fun.
know a
So
lot of kids love
really
those
something
books.
for everybody.
Yes. But today is picnic day.
Oh, that sounds
Yeah,
fun.
so go out, grab your food, get a blanket, sit outside in the front yard or the backyard or the side yard or the driveway and have an outdoor picnic. The weather's been really nice right now. As long as you don't care about pollen too much, we need some rain. And then tomorrow is going to be favorite color day. Wear your favorite color from head to toe. So what's your favorite color going to be?
Green.
That's my favorite color.
Wow.
Raise your hand if your favorite color is green. Look at
Got
all
a
the
few.
hands. Yeah,
Yes.
awesome.
Well, I'll be wearing my green tomorrow.
I'll be wearing my green as well. All right, boys and girls, hope you are doing well. Read every single day, and we will see you tomorrow. Oh, wait, can't go yet. We do want to hear from you. So instead of sending pictures to lighthouselive at rowlettacademy.org, we want you to send us letters and some jokes. So send your letters and jokes to Mrs. Choate and myself at lighthouselive at rowlettacademy.org. we want to hear from you guys.
Well, that'll be fun.
I know, should be pretty cool.
Okay.
All right, you guys, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. All right. Hey, Oliver.
Hi, Miss
How-
Choate.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Good. How's your time off been?
It's been doing great. I'm still just kind of getting used to this e-learning situation. I like all these new apps. It's been going good. I like the getting out of school. Yeah, it's been doing great.
So, I mean, you're still doing a lot of learning. You're just learning in a different way, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I love this Zoom thing. Have you had an opportunity to use it before?
I used it once to chat with a few people. I've been using Flipgrid. I think it's for the 5th grade triptych team.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay,
I've been
good.
using that to chat with my friends.
Okay. So overall, how would you say that the e-learning has been going for you so far?
I'd give it so far an 8 out of 10 right now.
Wow, that's pretty good for it just
I just
being
gotta-
week 2.
I just need to kind of finish getting into the e-learning and fully understanding it and how to do all the stuff.
Yeah, so there's lots of new things about e-learning. It's not just using the technology. It's setting up a schedule for yourself, right? Because your day doesn't look the same as coming to school with bells and start times and end times. You've got to be a little bit more self-disciplined to set up a schedule.
Yeah.
Have you been doing a good job like balancing things out? What have you been doing when you're not working on your schoolwork?
I've been, it's way better than school. I've been doing having a lot more breaks that I can have free time. And then there's this brand new thing. I have a hockey as a sport. I did this new spring training. I exercise. I do a workout with my family. It's just a huge workout. Lasts 45 minutes to 2 hours. Push-ups, sit-ups, a lot of really challenging stuff. We have to finish off by running around the neighborhood nonstop. It's really tough.
Who developed that workout?
My dad. He wants me to be really good at hockey, so I don't really complain, and I just roll with it. My body's completely sore today.
So tell me a little bit more about hockey. So have you actually started playing?
Oh, I've been playing for, I don't know, about 4 or 5 years so far.
Wow.
I don't know how long. I'm getting close to reaching a higher level, and I've been playing this as my only sport. I played soccer when I was younger, but then I moved on to hockey because I thought it was a really good sport. So,
I think it's a great sport. Well, good for you. That's good to hear. So listen, I know that when I'm at Car Riders and opening the door for you guys, you've got a really cute little doggie.
Oh yeah, our dog Lucy. She is the most adorable. I was really upset because we were in Canada during spring break. It was such a fun time with my dad's family, and we left. My dog was at with my uncle, and we had to wait another 2 weeks for her to come. So yeah, we had. Yeah.
There's Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Oh, so Lucy is a super cute dog who every day at Car Riders greets everybody by sticking her head out the window. And that's one of the things I miss seeing every day. So thanks for sharing her with us today.
You're welcome. Yeah, we got her back yesterday.
Oh, I'm sure you're happy and Lucy's happy.
Yeah, we had to wait a long time. It was really tough for me to wait. She was the cutest dog, and I just didn't want to have her a long way.
Yeah. I have a dog that looks very much like Lucy named Abby. So did you want to say anything else before we leave? Did you want to say, give a shout out to your friends in your class?
Yeah, I just like to say hi to my friends, Landon, Colin. Hope you guys are doing good out there. Liam, just wanted to say that I hope you guys are doing good.
Okay.
It's kind of all I gotta say.
And how about your
Anything
teachers?
else? Oh yeah, Miss Lim, Shedra Zimmerman,
the same thing. Hope you guys are doing good. And yeah, that's kind of it.
Okay, well, thank you so much for taking the time to chat with me.
Thank you.
All
Thank
right.
you too. You're welcome.
Yeah, we'll see you around. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
All right. Bye.
Thanks, Dr. Fradley and Miss Choate. Now I'm going to show you how to make overnight oats. It's one of my favorite breakfasts because it's delicious and easy to make. It's also great because you make it the night before, so when you get up in the morning, it's ready to eat. First, you add half a cup of oats, half a cup of milk. You can use any milk you like. I'm using cow's milk, and my mom likes almond milk. Then you can add toppings. I have raisins, chia, I have coconut, I have blackberries and raspberries, and I have cinnamon, and some honey for sweetening. Now you can screw the lid on and pop it in the fridge. Another great thing about overnight oats is that there are so many ways to customize it according to what you like. Here's a great website for finding different recipes. Here are a few ideas. For all overnight oats, you need half a cup of oats and half a cup of milk. But for apple cinnamon oats, you need yogurt, cinnamon, diced apples, and granola. For peanut butter and jelly oats, you need peanut butter, you need jelly, and strawberries. And if you want a real treat, s'mores overnight oats, you need graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate chips. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. That's all for today's news. Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for the Power Pledge. Have a terrific Tuesday. Bye. I'm a Power Rowlett owl in uniform I'm dressed. I pledge to follow Rowlett rules and always do my best. I'll be proactive, choose and take responsibility. I'll show respect for others and their properties. I'll set goals, put first things first, and do what I'm assigned. My attitude will be win-win with safety rules in mind. I'll listen so I'll understand and follow all directions. I'll be responsible for my behavior and corrections. With teamwork I will soar with more and others synergize. I'll renew and sharpen up with power as my prize. All right!